won't say a word about the bird.
Hey guys, it's Sophia.
And Grace. Oh my gosh.
And we have a special guest.
Yeah, this is
Dusty.
Or
I'm scared of him. Or eating Oreos. Milk's favorite cookie. YOLO. I'm Christina Cimarelli in my head.
he likes your hair.
No, you like my hair. Cookie buddies.
Where's
Ow!
Where's Tweety? I'm not downstairs eating. Here, take a picture.
I will.
Ready?
What? No.
She's wearing my shirt.
Head.
He's the one tail. Here, hang on your finger.
No one's here.
No, he's not gonna bite you.
No.
I trust you.
Oh, we are not uploading. Oh.
No, Sophia! Dude, if I'm like not scared of this bird, like why should you?
Because I'm a lot scarier. I'm not scary. I'm easily
He's
scared.
just nervous.
Wait, can we put him in for that?
No, he almost went in there.
Okay, he can't fit in that.
Watch this. He's not really
No.
supposed to do this, but he likes it. Yeah. And he went all the way up there once.
Somebody's at your door. Oh.
But
Hey. Okay, so we're gonna make another video later. Peace out. Bye.